Hello dear students, once again welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today's video I am going to explain the next remaining exercises of chapter number 3. So for that you all take out your new Champs English Reader book. Student, this is your English Reader book. You all take out your book and open chapter 3, that is why did Seema fall. So student, we have already completed exercises of page number 19 and 20. So we moving to the next, that is next exercises which is given on page number 21. So dear student, before starting the next exercise, one more time we going to recheck these exercises that we have already done. Let's have a quick overview on these exercises. So in exercise A, we have to do circle the correct words. Okay student? So in these exercises, we have to circle the correct words according to the sentence. So in number 1, Seema has, so we have to take small room. As we all know that Seema has a small room, so we have to circle the given word small, S-M-A-L-L, small. In second, the bed cover is, so we have already done this, that Seema, the bed cover is in Seema's room blue. So what the spelling of blue? So the spelling of blue is B-L-U-E, blue. Third is Seema's room is, so student, we have to circle the word untidy, that is U-N-T-I-D-Y, untidy. Okay student. Number 4, one shoes is on the, so we have to circle the word chair. Got the spelling of chair? C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay. Now the fifth is Seema has many of few toys. So we all know that Seema has many toys. So we have to circle the word many. The spelling of many is M-A-N-Y, many. So like this we have to complete exercise A. Now next is exercise B. So in exercise B, Seema runs into the room and what happened next, number the sentences. So we have to give number according to the sentences. So first of all we have to give number 1 to this sentence, that is she trips on her bag and falls. Second is she hurts her elbow, and third is she start crying. Okay, so like this we have to giving number. So last is number 1, second activity is she hurts her elbow, third is she start crying. So that's happened. Okay student. Now the next is exercise C. In exercise C, answer this question. So dear student, in this exercise we have to write the question answer. So first question is, which color are the curtain in Seema's room? So we all know the curtains are blue in Seema's room. So we have to write answer, the curtains are blue in Seema's room. Second question is, where is Seema's school bag? So we all know that the school bags are on the floor. Okay, the school bag is on the floor in Seema's room. So we have to write on the floor. Third is, where are Seema's books? So student, where are Seema's books? So we all know that Seema's books are lying on the bed. Fourth is, how many toy cars does Seema have? So we all know that Seema has 4 toy cars. Seema has 4 toy cars. Fifth is, where is the teddy? So we have to write answer that the teddy is in the bookshelf. Okay students, so like this you have to complete this exercises. Now after this, next is exercise D. So in exercise D, write the opposite of these words. Use words from the box. So first word is ever. So opposite of ever is below. Second is dirty. So the opposite of dirty is clean. And the spelling of below is B-E-L-O-W, below. And the spelling of clean is C-L-E-A-N, clean. Third word is laugh, and the opposite of laugh is cry, and the spelling of cry is C-R-Y, cry. Fourth is over, and the opposite of over is under. So spelling of under is U-N-D-E-R, under. Okay student. Now after this we have to do the next, that is exercise E. In exercise E, the word blackboard is made from the two words black and board. So look at the example and make new words. Choose word from the clouds. So student, we have to choose the word from the clouds and we have to write down on the given blanks, and after that we have to make a new words. So for example, here is the word book plus self, so it will be bookshelf. Okay, so like this we have to do the next, that is bed plus. So we have to write on the given blanks cover, we have to choose cover from the clouds, and after that write down the given blanks, and the word becomes bed cover. Okay, bed plus cover equal to bed cover, bedcover, bed cover. Third is news, so we have to write on the given blanks paper, and it will be newspaper, newspaper, newspaper. Fourth is shoe plus, so we have to write on blank lace, so it will be shoelace. Okay, shoelace, shoelace. So like this we have already completed this exercises in book. So now moving to the next exercises, that is started from exercise F. So today's video we are going to do the next exercises, that is exercise FG. So dear student, you all open page number 21, and on page number 21 there is an exercise F. So in this exercises we have to fill spelling. Okay, we have to fill in AI or AY to complete these words. We have to fill on the given blanks the spelling AI or AY, and after that we have to make the words. Okay, we have to complete these words. So let's do it. So first is CH dash dash R. So on the given blanks we have to write the spelling AI. So the word will be chair, CHAIR, chair. Now tell me what we fill on the second. So next is PL dash dash. So on the given blanks we have to fill the letter AY. Okay student, so it will be play, PLAY, play. Now the next is third. In third there is a TR dash dash N. So on the given blanks we have to write letter AI. So the word will be train, TRAIN, train. Okay student, the third will be train. Third is train. Fourth, BR dash dash N. So what will be write on the given blanks? Which letter we fill here? So student, we have to write here AI. So the word will be brain, BRAIN, brain. Now the next number 5, TR dash dash. So student, tell me which letter we fill here. So we have to write here AY. So the word will be tray, TRAY, tray. Okay. Now the next number 6 is PR dash dash. So we have to write here AY. So it will be pray. So like this we have to complete these words. Okay student, by filling AI or AY. One more time we are going to recheck. So in number 1 the word will be chair, CHAIR, chair. In second PLAY, play. Third TRAIN, train. Fourth is brain, BRAIN, brain. Fifth is tray, TRAY, tray. Sixth is pray, PRAY, pray. So like this we have to complete this exercise F. Now moving to the next exercise, that is exercise G. So student, what will we do in exercise G? So it is grammar fun. So you have to learn about some grammatical part. So here in exercise G, some words tell us about action. Some words tell us about action. Such words are called doing words or action words. So student, there is a question that what is action word? So we can see that some words tell us about action. Such words are called doing words or action words. So look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with the action word from the box. So student, here are some action words are given in the box. So you have to choose the correct one according to the picture, and you have to write down. Okay student, so first action is, as you can see, first have already done for you. So first activity is climb. This action is called climb. So here we have to write CLIMB, climb. Okay. Now next activity. In next activity, tell me what is this? So here is the action word is eat. So we have to write here eat. Okay. The doing word is eat. So we have to write here eat. What is the spelling of it? EAT, eat. Okay. In third there is a action word jump. JUMP, jump. Okay. In fourth is swim. SWIM, swim. Fifth activity is, fifth action word is play. PLAY, play. And sixth is read. READ, read. So like this we have to write. We have to fill in the blanks with action words. Okay, from the box we have to choose the correct action word according to the picture, and after that write down on the given blanks. So in first there is climb, CLIMB, climb. In second eat. In third jump. In fourth swim. Fifth play. Sixth read. The spelling of climb is CLIMB, climb. Spelling of 8, HEAT, 3rd, JUMP, jump. 4th is swim, SWIM, swim. 5th is play, PLAY, play. 6th is read, READ, read. So like this we have to complete the exercise G. Now moving to the next exercise, that is exercise H. So dear student, in exercise H there is a fill in the blanks with words from the box. Again we have to write words from the box according to the given blanks. So student, first of all we have to read the given sentence, and according to the sentence we have to choose the word from the box. Okay, so there is a first, we dash with our ears. So student, tell me which activity we have done by with help of our ears. So there is a here, HEAR, here. Okay, now the second one, we dash with our hands. So what will we do with our hands? Tell me. So it is clap. So we have to choose the spelling of clap from the box, that is CLAP, clap. So the sentence will be we clap with our hands. Third is we dash with our nose. So what will we do with our nose? So we can smell with our nose. So the spelling of smell is SMELL, smell. Okay student. Fourth is we dash with our legs. We dash with our legs. So what will we do with our legs? With the help of our legs we can run. So student, here we have to write on the blanks run, RUN, run. In number 5, we dash with our tongue. So student, tell me what will we do with our tongue? So we can taste with our tongue. So here we have to write taste. The spelling of taste is TASTE, taste. Number 6, we dash with our eyes. So we can see with our eyes. The eyes help us in see. Okay, so the spelling of see is SEEC. So like this we have to complete exercise H. One more time we are going to recheck. In number 1 there is we hear with our ears. Second, we clap with our hands. On the given blanks we have to write clap, CLAP, clap. Third is we smell with our nose. We have to write here SMELL, smell. Fourth is we dash with our legs. So we run with our legs. Here we have to write run, RUN, run. Fifth is we dash with our tongue. So here we have to write TASTE, taste. Number 6, we dash with our eyes. So here we have to write SEEC. Okay student, so like this you have to complete this exercise. Now moving to the next exercise, that is exercise K. Okay student, so it is the last exercise that is given in your book. So student, listen carefully what will we do in this exercise. So student, it is a writing work for you. So in exercise K, write 5 sentences about Seema. So first of all we can learn what is sentence. So student, tell me, do you know about sentence? What is sentence? So student, a sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. So according to that we have to write here a complete sense. Okay, so first of all here is number 1, Seema can tie her. So here is the 2 option, we have to choose the correct one, and after that we have to write that correct option on the given blanks. So student, Seema can tie her, so we have to write here shoelace. As we can see that Seema tie her shoelaces, so we have to write here shoelace. Okay, so the spelling of shoelaces is SHOELACES, shoelaces. Seema can tie her shoelaces. Okay, so the first sentence will be done. Now moving to the next sentence, that is Seema dash drive or read. So tell me, what does Tina do in this picture? So Seema can read. So we have to write here Seema can read. The second sentence is done. Now the next, third, Seema can write. We have to choose the option write, and after that write on the given blanks. So the sentence will be Seema can write. Fourth is Seema can climb on the trees. We have to choose the word tree. Okay, as we can see that Seema climbing on the tree, so we have to write Seema can climb on trees. Okay student. Now the fifth is Seema can dance. Okay, Seema can dance. So student, like this we have to write 5 sentences about Seema. First sentence is Seema can tie her shoelaces. Second is Seema can read. Third is Seema can write. Fourth is Seema can climb on trees. And fifth is Seema can dance. So like this we have to complete these exercises. So dear student, you have also write down these exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. So I hope you all understood very well that how could you complete these exercises. So that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.